Samsung has slowly but surely pushed back the dates of its releases every year. Right now, the Galaxy S series is being announced right at the beginning of January to get a big head start on the competition. And the Galaxy S26 Ultra is likely to be released in January 2026. However, there are rumors that Samsung is working hard to push the release date even earlier, to the end of 2025. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will have a new COE OLED display on the front, which will have a color filter layer built into the light-emitting OLED panel. This will make the images clearer, sharper, and more vivid. The screen will be 6.9 inches, which seems to be the biggest screen that power users are willing to deal with right now. While it's big, it's not too hard to handle if the bezels are small enough. When it comes to light, the S26 Ultra will reach 3000 nits. The screen is about to get even brighter and more colorful. This phone's back will have a 200-megapixel main wide camera with a bigger 1x1.1-inch Sony sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 200-megapixel 4x zoom camera, and a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. When it comes to features, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, which is the next flagship Snapdragon chip. It has a 3nm chip, 12GB of RAM, and a 5300 mAh battery. A new Adreno 840 GPU will be added, and it will be able to charge via wired 65W or Wi-Fi 25W. It will have the latest UI 8 built on Android 16. So, should you wait for the next Samsung phone? Have a Galaxy S24 Ultra or even an S23 Ultra? Then you should wait for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. You can use these top-of-the-line phones until the S26 Ultra comes out in 2026, which is still a long time from now. You will be able to make a better choice about whether to jump in once you see what it has to offer. Now is not the time to wait for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra if you want to get a better phone. The S26 Ultra won't be out for another 6 months or so. If the phone you have now is breaking down, you should get the S25 Ultra. It's great now, and I think it will be able to compete with the S26 Ultra next year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.